This is John Beath with GoFishMagazine.com. I'm here at Waterfall Resort. It's a nice, easy trip from Seattle to Ketchikan, Ketchikan to the resort. You can come up here and catch king salmon like this, or you can get big halibut. Of course, we love big halibut. You go out in these really comfortable boats. They're comfortable to fish out of, and you'll have a trip of a lifetime. So read about the story in GoFishMagazine.com. Check out Waterfall Resort online as well at waterfallresort.com. For Go Fish Magazine, I'm John Beath. What you got there, Chuck?
I got myself, it looks like a nice king. He was about 140 on the line counter.
Let me slide to your...
hard. He just hit it hard, then he ripped off about 50 or 60 feet. Just incredible run. It was great. It felt exhilarating, I'm telling you. But look at that pull on him right now. He is not interested in coming up and be dinner.
What's wrong, Chuck?
You gotta go with
Catch
the flow.